What's up guys, today's video is on the best automatic litter boxes. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Petkit Automatic Litter Box. The Petkit Pura X Automatic Litter Box is equipped with a variety of different litter types, including mixed litters, clay bentonite litters. The choice is left to you. It's simple to switch the trash, too. It's as simple as pressing the button, and it will empty everything directly into the garbage drawer. It's quick and simple to take off and clean, which makes it a straightforward procedure. If you're concerned about the smell that your cat emits while they use toilet, then this auto litter box has deodorizers that neutralize odors, which makes it an effective tool in removing any unpleasant smells that could remain in your space fresh and clean all the time. Petkit utilizes its secure system that includes 12 high-precision sensors. These include thermal, infrared and weight sensors. These sensors are built in and are able to detect any time your cat comes in and utilizes the self-cleaning box. Thanks to these sensors, you'll be at ease knowing that it won't start the same cycle every time your cat uses the box. Number 2. Cat Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Have you been taking a look into the self-cleaning toilets for some time and are now able to see them? You may have seen or heard of Littermaid. They're an expert in self-cleaning litter boxes and definitely are aware of the tricks they're using. They are now on their third model that features improved cleaning cycles and the scoop being lower to get rid of additional clumped urine, as well as harder clumps that are quieter. By cleaning after each use, you'll be able to ensure your cat has a tidy litter box every single day. This makes it a low-maintenance automated litter box that has sensors that can detect when your cat goes away. It cleans itself up automatically after 10 minutes, the minimum amount of time to ensure that the cat isn't long. This self-cleaning cat litter box has high walls around the box, preventing litter from spreading over the floor. There is also an easy cleaning ramp for your cat to use to keep its feet clean and keeping it from releasing dust all over the home. Number 3. Petree Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. While it's an automated litter box, the Petree performs exactly as you'd like it would. Scoop waste in a quiet and safe manner while also reducing unpleasant odors that may be left behind. If your cat is older that has mobility problems, this is an especially easy device for them to utilize. It has a pedal that is low, just 17 centimeters from the ground, which makes it easy to go into and out. It can also be used as a means to clean your cat's paws clean before they leave, keeping them from spreading litter throughout the house. The litter box's automatic waste disposal, Petree will take care of cleaning for you whenever your cat gets up and getting it done in a quiet manner so that you won't be disturbed. The sifting mechanism is able to separate clumped litter and solid waste from pure litter, putting the garbage into the drawer below. The large drawer can hold the capacity of 4 liters, which means it won't be required to empty it often. The litter box will also give you an opportunity to remind yourself to empty the waste bin or refill it with litter, and also track your cat's bathroom visits for a comprehensive view of their health. Number 4. Petzone Smart Scoop. On first inspection, Petzone's self-cleaning litter container appears like any ordinary litter box, however its self-cleaning system can make it more efficient. Its traditional design, it comes with high walls to ensure that your litter is kept in the box and is not likely to be thrown out. The self-cleaning litter box utilizes sensors that sense the time your cat is gone and initiates the cleaning process that begins 15 minutes after the cat has left. The motor is quiet, which means less noise for your cat and so you can rest as the bin rakes the trash away. If the bin is full, it's simple to take the tray off and throw it away in trash bags and put it back in place. It comes with a carbon zeolite filter that will take in any smells and get rid of any unpleasant smells that the cat leaves behind. Number 5. PetSafe ScoopFree Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. ScoopFree is, as the name suggests, and scoop-free by nature. This self-cleaning litter box will take care of all of your needs. It might be the old version of the Ultra toilet, as already mentioned, it's an excellent choice to think about. As with the Ultra, ScoopFree's first self-cleaning litter box operates using disposable litter tray. Simply insert the litter tray made of crystal and that's all there is to it. Anything that your cat's waste leaves is dried and then absorbed by the crystals, after which it is automatically cleaned and then disposed of in the waste compartment trap. It will take a few weeks before the tray is overflowing, after which you simply dispose of it and put in a fresh one. Simple. Crystal litter comes with its benefits. It's 5 times more effective in the control of odor than normal clumping litter. Also, it's completely dust-free, which means less mess in the home. But disposable litter containers are more expensive, and this means that the automatic litter box is an additional cost for upkeep. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.